Hey guys, just wanted to give y'all a quick update. I haven't been around much the last few days, haven't really been able to view a lot of videos and make any comments much, but just been kind of busy and just kind of taking some me time, and me and the fiance been spending some time together and kind of went out Thursday night, had a date night, and saw some movies and saw the new Batman movie, which was really good. If you haven't seen it, you might want to check it out. I'm not a huge Batman fan at all. In fact, I really didn't like the other movies, but this one was surprising. I'll say it that way. Other than that, been just did a little shopping the last couple of days and got some packages in the mail for some stuff that I ordered. So I'll be doing maybe later on this evening a haul video and maybe some reviews on some products that I've tried the last couple of days. Other than that, like I said, that's about it. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you guys later. Bye.